Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 500 MCQs of modern period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 20 in part first. This is part 2. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स दीज क्वेश्चन आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। यदि आपको भी इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आते हैं तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। ऑस्कर वाइल्ड वॉज ए ऑप्शन ए डिसिडेंट, डिकाडेंट, सोशलिस्ट, टॉरे और विग। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज decadent. Option A is the first correct answer. Now question number 22. Thomas Hardy was regarded as a or an. Option A optimist, option B realist. So Thomas Hardy was regarded as the first A optimist, second realist, third hedonist and D pessimist. So the option D is the correct answer, pessimist. Now question number 23. Name the work of Oscar Wilde that he wrote while serving a jail term. Option A De Profundis, option B The Sphinx, option C Intentions and option D Ruin. So the correct answer is Dr. Profundis. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 24. Which was Thomas Hardy's first novel that was published in 1871? Which was Thomas Hardy's first novel that was published in 1871? Option A Under the Greenwood Tree, option B Far from the Madding Crowd, option C Desperate Remedies and option D A Pair of Blue Eyes. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Desperate Remedies. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 25. Impression D Theatre by Oscar Wilde is a prose work, option B poetry work, option C fiction work and option D biography. So the correct answer is Impression D Theatre by Oscar Wilde is a poetry work. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 26. Donald Farfrae is an important character in Hardy's. Donald Farfrae is an important character in Hardy's. Option A Far from the Madding Crowd. Option B Under the Greenwood Tree, option C The Return of the Nature and option D The Mayor of Casterbridge. So the correct answer is option D The Mayor of Casterbridge. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 27. With which novel of Hardy will you associate the character Fanny Rowan? Fanny Rowan. So option A The Mayor of Casterbridge, option B Far from the Madding Crowd, option C The Well Beloved and option D A Pair of Blue Eyes. A Pair of Blue Eyes. So the correct answer is option B Far from the Madding Crowd. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 28. Who was the wife of Henchard in The Mayor of Casterbridge? Who was the wife of Henchard in The Mayor of Casterbridge? Option A Boldwood, option B Farfrae, option C job, and option D Newton. So Newton, option D is the correct answer. Now question number 29. What nickname has Hardy given to the quarrelsome girl Car Darch who fights with Tess? What nickname has Hardy given to the quarrelsome girl Car Darch who fights with Tess? Option A Queen of Hearts, option B Queen of Spades, option C Queen of Diamonds, and option D Queen of Clubs. The correct answer is Queen of Sets. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 30. Which of the following is a novel of ingenuity? Option A The Trumpet Measure, option B The Return of the Native, option C Two on a Tower, and option D A Laodicean. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D, a Laodicean is the correct answer. Now question number 31. An Ideal Husband and a Woman of No Importance by Oscar Wilde are the option A romances, option B tragedies, option C comedies, and option D satires. The correct answer is option C comedies is the correct answer. Now question number 32. Identify the work of Oscar Wilde out of the following. Identify the work of Oscar Wilde out of the following. Option A The Happy Prince, option B Catriona, option C The Longest Journey, and option D Peter Pan. So the correct answer is option A The Happy Prince. Now question number 33. The critic as artist was written by. Option A T.S. Eliot, option B I.A. Richard, option C Oscar Wilde, and option D Matthew Arnold. So the correct answer is option C Oscar Wilde. Now question number 34. Identify the work of Satiny Dobell. Option A Jack Straw, option B live drama, option C The Roman and Balder, and option D A Night Out. So the correct answer is option C The Roman and Balder. These questions are very useful for competitive exams, so listen these questions again and again. Now question number 35. Alexander Smith life drama was published when he was only. Alexander Smith's life drama was published when he was only 19, B 20, option C 21, and option D 23. So the correct answer is 20. So option B is the correct answer, 20. Now question number 36. In history of civilization in England, the writer shows profound influence of physical science by eliminating the personal factor from human affairs. Name the writer. Option A Chesterton, option B Alexander Smith, option C Satiny Dobell, and option D Henry Thomas Buckle. So the correct answer is option D Henry Thomas Buckle. Now question number 37. Who wrote the elegy Wordsworth's Grave? Option A William Watson, option B Satiny Dobell, option C Alexander Smith, and option D Oscar Wilde. So elegy Wordsworth's Grave written by option A William Watson. Now question number 38. Lacher में Mauseram is an elegy on the death of option A Thomas Carlyle, option B William Blake, option C Tennyson, and option D Browning. So The correct answer is option C, Tennyson. Now question number 39. Who wrote The Purple East? Who wrote The Purple East? Option A, H.G. Wells. Option B, William Watson. Option C, Rudyard Kipling. And option D, Henry Thomas Buckle. Henry Thomas Buckle. So the correct answer is William Watson. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 40. Now question number 40. One of the most influential of Oscar Wilde's play was written in French and was translated into England in 1894 by the Lord Alfred Douglas. Name that play. Option A, Bera. Option B, Shalom. Option C, The Duchess of Padua. And option D, The Mirror of the Sea. The correct answer is Shalom. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 41. Now question number 41. The Polish mariner who presented colonialism as both brutal and brutalizing in many of his stories and novels was option A, Joseph Conrad, option B, Oscar Wilde, option C, J.M. Barrie, and option D, A.W. Pinero. So the correct answer is of this question is option A, Joseph Conrad. Joseph Conrad is the correct answer. Now question number 42. Which novel with Eastern setting did Joseph Conrad write when he was 40? Option A, The Secret Agent. Option B, Under the Western Eyes. Option C, Elmer's Folly. And option D, Youth. Option D, Youth. So the correct answer is Elmer's Folly. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 43. The conquest of the earth, which mostly means taking it away from those who have a different complexion or slightly flatter noses than ourselves, is not a pretty thing when you look at it too much. This is an extract from option A, Under the Western Eyes, option B, The Secret Agent, option C, An Outpost Progress, and option D, Heart of Darkness. So Heart of Darkness is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 44. This is the second last question of this video. Dear friends, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. दिस नॉवेल इज कॉनरैड्स मास्टरपीस विच इज कंसर्न विथ ऑनर, करेज एंड सॉलिडेरिटी. नेम द नॉवेल. This novel is Conrad's masterpiece which is concerned with honor, courage and solidarity. Name the novel. Option A, Youth. Option B, Lord Jin. Option C, The Secret Agent. And option D, Heart of Darkness. So the correct answer is Lord Jin. Option B is the correct answer. This is last question of this video, dear friend. Which novel of Joseph Conrad, written in 1907, dealt with political extremism and contrast between Eastern and Western Europe? Option A, The Secret Agent. Option B, The Nigger of the Narcissus. Option C, Under the Western Eyes. And option D, The Shadow Line. So the correct answer is option A, The Secret Agent. Dear friends, these are some useful questions. I hope कि आपको ये पसंद आए होंगे. Thank you for watching.